I don't think this was Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Vlogmas 2024. So in this winter season, we often suffer from this very chapped and dry lips right there, but I have came with my top 5 favorite lip balms right there, and I'm guaranteeing you that all these recommendations which are very affordable except one, because that works the best anyways. So I will show you my top 5 favorite lip balms in this video. So if you guys are interested to get free of these chappy lips in this winter, do carry on watching this video. Before that, if you are coming in for the first time and if you are seeing me for the first time, then hi, I'm Prakriti. I make videos related to fashion, beauty, lifestyle here on this channel. So take a moment to subscribe to my channel to see more such videos. And without any further delay, now let's quickly jump into the video. Okay, so I have my top 5 absolute favorite lip balms to show you all. Any of the one will do absolutely amazing for you according to your budget and according to your preference and likeness of this lip balms right here. You can get the beautiful glowy nourished lips right there in this winter. So yeah, let's quickly dive into it. So I don't think the Vaseline Petroleum Jelly needs any kind of introduction, and I have almost like every tub of different sizes in my vanity, in my bag, as well as everywhere. Just a next step in my house, you will be finding this petroleum jelly right there. Let me tell you, for the cuts, lips, your chapped lips and your dry skin, everything. It's an all-in-one product. It comes in so variants nowadays in different flavors, having said that, but I love the original one and I have every sizes we all use. So accessible and inexpensive for that matter, so absolutely love it. Very inexpensive. It cost you only 40 rupees, but having said that, the smell and everything, texture is so beautiful and बिल्कुल भी ज़्यादा aromatic भी नहीं है. At the same time, just do the job perfectly. Love this lip balm. I have finished this particular variant in my hostel. There's so many that I can't tell you. बहुत ही affordable सा हो जाता है. At the same time, just perfect for winter. So absolutely love this Himalayan lip balm, and this smells so delicious. And also at the same time, this reminds me of this, bubble gum kind of smelly. At the same time, I feel like I'm already in my hostel this bag again. So just remembering all my golden days. Absolutely love this. So bubble gummy kind of effect. And next we have this peptide lip balm from Hyphen. I was like, it's just a hive, it does nothing. Oh boy, this lip balm does take care of your lips so nice and well. So this lip balm is just a dupe of the Rhode peptide lip balm. See, I have never used the Rhode peptide lip balm, but having said that, the concept of this peptide in lip balm addition was from this Hailey Bieber's peptide lip balm right there from Rhode. So love it. I really loved it. It just take care of your hyperpigmentation on the lips going on. So absolutely love it. It's quite affordable, I would rather say. And yeah, it has this very subtle kind of smell going on, and I enjoy using that lip balm too. I don't know how that peptide wala affected on my lips because it's been only a month I'm using so yeah. But really, I really love this lip balm, being it's so easy to access. It's kind of give me similar feeling of the Laneige, although there is a lot of difference, but still I love going back to that lip balm too. So I guess. This particular lip balm ये मैं recommend करके मैं तो थक गई हूँ. So this is so beautiful. I know it's quite pricier, but I tell you all that this one, worth every penny of yours. You will be investing on this lip balm. If nothing is working, then the ultimate solution is Borderline. So if you think like no lip balm can really do good to your lips right there, this is the only one that will fix it, I'll tell you. So absolutely love Borderline. For the days when we all lose hope, there comes this beautiful product right there. Love it. So yeah. Okay, so that's it for this video. I hope you liked all the recommendation of my favorite lip balm right there that I have told you in today's video. So that's it for this video. I will see you guys super soon in my next video. Till then, I love you all so very much. Bye.